The DL479 is an HVAC clamp meter in our single display True RMS series. The DL479 measures AC and DC volts, frequency and duty cycle, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode test, AC amps, DC microamps, temperature, non-contact voltage detection. The DL479 also features data hold, a work light, and a backlit display, and is auto-ranging with an optional manual ranging mode, a min-max function, and in the back, the DL479 features convenient screwdriver-free latches for easy access to the battery compartment, a magnetic mount, and test lead storage. The DL479 is currently available at professional HVAC distributors.